Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Moments with Oma. Today we are doing something a little bit different. Yes, I mean, who is excited? Well, I am. So yes, I'm going to give you us hacks, fashion hacks. I'll be teaching us three beautiful and amazing ways you can, style your shirt, that your long sleeve shirt, your button down, that your regular shirt that doesn't even mean anything to you. I'm going to be giving you ways that you can style it. I mean, give it a completely different and amazing look, guys. Yes, I mean, this look you can actually throw them at parties, you can wear them to functions, you can, make them a brunch wear, a date wear, or something like that. Yes, you're thinking, with still these same shirts, yes, without your same shirts, yes, I'll show you how to do just that and thank me later. Comment below, and if you're yet to subscribe, please do so. Please join the family, and also remember to give this video a big thumbs up because I'm sure you're going to find this video very, very helpful and interesting. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere, and we are starting right now. Okay guys, so I have options between these two shirts. I didn't know if I should go with the silk or with the cotton, but I eventually went to the cotton, and this is what it looks like. So this is the tutorial on how to start the first one. You wear the shirt button up, then you twist it into themselves, then you tuck it under, just like what you're watching right now. So that baby girl look, this is for people that loves, showing a bit of skin, like it's not doing too much, it's still like dope and classy, and yeah, you can see the back is not doing too much. So I'm pairing this with a pants, trouser, and I hope you like this look. So the next one. All right, so watch this closely. This is a bit it's not difficult, but it's a bit technical. So you toss the shirts over, then you take the two ends of the shirts, you tie. I'm so happy doing this, guys. You can tell from my expression in the video. Oh my god, this is lovely. Okay, I think we should do more tutorial videos. So after successfully tying, then the underneath, that is where the collar is, you arrange it and tuck it in as well. Then you take the two ends, yeah, you can see the back of the shirt, and yes, you tie to hold it firm. So after tying, yes, if you have a longer shirt, you can tie to the front as well, but this hand is kind of shorter, so I just have to like tuck it underneath the collar. So, and that's it. Okay, and that is me. So can you see what this is doing? This is giving you like a kind of I don't know what that neck is called again, but it's giving a kind of wrap, and loose neck, bringing out that perfect shape. I mean, guys, this is fire. You can actually rock this to a dinner date. You can decide to throw a jacket on it if you so. Yeah, so this is the look, man. See this, babe. This is giving you the classical chic vibe. Amazing. No, now check this out. Don't you like it? So you can actually, if you don't want to go out looking too open and all of that, you can style a jacket on. All right, so to the final look, you can just use this as a cover up. I mean, I was wearing, as you can see, I'm wearing a black bodycon gown here, so I'm just throwing, instead of using like a denim jacket every time, you can just use this, just throw it all as a pullover or as a jacket, as a cover up, if you want to be showing that your sexy figure and everything. So I guess this does the trick. Yeah, this is safe. I'm sorry guys, I'm supposed to accessorize. I'm sorry, accessorize, and also show you like the finished look, but I'm at home, so I really don't have much of my stuff here, so this is all I could do. But I hope you enjoyed the video. See you.